You use this every day, but what if it's hiding a deadly secret?
Sounds like a movie plot, right? But that little tingle, it's a life-threatening warning. And hey, the experts all agree it means your home's wiring has a very dangerous fault.
So how does this happen? First, let's see how your wiring is supposed to keep you safe.
Okay, so normally power flows in one wire, through your gadget, and right back out another.
But there's also a third wire, the earth wire. Think of it as an emergency exit for stray electricity.
This is where the danger really starts. The culprits are often totally invisible wiring failures.
In homes across Asia, things like geysers or just old wires can create these hidden deadly traps.
See, if that neutral wire breaks, electricity looks for a new way out. And your pipes? They become live.
Now your entire plumbing system is a live electrical circuit, just waiting for a path to the ground.
And the moment you touch that tap, you complete the circuit.
This is so dangerous because wet hands, like at a sink, have way less electrical resistance.
And we're talking about the full 230 volts from your wall now flowing right through your pipes.
And get this, it takes a tiny amount of current, way less than a light bulb, to be fatal.
But there is a hero in this story, a small guardian that can protect your home. You might know it as an RCD or maybe a GFCI. It has one job, to save your life. It's constantly watching the current. The second it senses a leak, through you, it trips faster than a heartbeat. Okay, so that's your first line of defense. But, prevention is everything. So here's a simple checklist. Following these steps could literally mean the difference between life and death.
And keep an eye out for these common risks, especially ungrounded sockets near any water source.
So remember, that tingle isn't just a nuisance, it's an alarm. The real question is, will you listen?